Hello, and welcome to our feature focus on VanillaSoft's contact management feature. With contact management, you may build custom queries and then perform many tasks in a batch. On top of basic tasks, you can perform batch updates, mail merge, and email blasts. You may also copy contacts with their call histories to other projects. To go to contact management, hover over Contacts and Reports, and select Contact Management. One of our most common requests is, how do I reassign contacts when I have a rep leave? Today, we will use this scenario in building our first sample query. Begin by clicking on Build a New Query. The first step of building a query is to select the fields that you will want to view, as well as any that you want to filter by or update. In our field selection box, the fields are separated by categories such as contact information, contact routing, call history, etc. For our sample query, I'm going to add first name, last name, company, and contact owner. Contact owner will be the field that I'm going to filter by and update to reassign my contacts. It's time to filter. In this menu are the different comparisons to choose from. Please note that when filters allow for multiple values, the format for the value field is to place a comma between each value. For instance, if you're looking for contacts that are owned by Bonnie or Christy, you simply place a comma between the two values. For our sample, we will filter down to only one contact owner, so I will select the filter equals to. For the value, I will select Daniel, who is the rep that has left the company. Next, we run the query. The sample query results now shows all the contacts currently owned by Daniel. To move these contacts to a different contact owner, I'm going to click the Perform Task button and select Update Contacts. The field that I want to update is Contact Owner, so I checkmark it. Be sure to only checkmark the field you want to change the value of. Next, I enter the value of the contact owner that I want to assign these contacts to. For our sample, I will reassign these contacts to Christy. We are now ready to run the update. The system will alert you that you are about to update, ensuring that you wish to continue. After the update is complete, the system reverts back to the original query results. In this case, however, my query results came back to your query returned no results. The reason is that now Daniel does not have any contacts to view. To check my work, I'm going to Edit Query, and I'm going to now look at Christy's contacts. Run query, and I will see that the two contacts have been moved over to Christy, along with the other leads that she owns. Another request that we receive often is, how do I replenish my call queue with previously worked leads? Let's walk through that scenario. Go back to our contact management page. For this sample, I'm going to find contacts that were called over 6 months ago and told us no, or that they were happy with their current service. For this function, we will need the flagged field. This is the field that is unchecked when a result code is designed to unflag or close a contact. The flagged field will have to be checked again to allow it to go back into the call queue. We also need the closed flag field. This is the field that is checkmarked when a result code is designed to close a contact. The closed flag field will have to be unchecked to allow it to go back into the call queue. Next, we need the last call date and the last result code fields. By the way, queries only support the last call information from the call history table. Previous call histories are not supported. Next, we apply our filters. We will filter down to last call date is less than 9/1 2017, which is 6 months ago at the time of this video. The other filter we need is last result code is in, and the value of happy, no. We are ready to run query. The sample query results now show all the contacts who were coded as no or happy over 6 months ago. To move these contacts back into the call queue, I'm going to click the Perform Task button and select Update Contacts. The first field to update is flagged, so I checkmark it. Next, I enter the value true, which is the term the system uses to checkmark the box of that field. We also need to update the closed flagged field. Next, I enter the value false, which is the term the system uses to uncheck the field. We're now ready to run the update. Again, the system will alert you that you're about to update, giving you a last chance to ensure that you wish to continue. The system will now revert back to the original query results. Here, you can see that the flagged field is checked and the closed flag field is unchecked. Your reps will now be routed these contacts end of queue. For full access to VanillaSoft's videos and knowledge base, please visit support.vanillasoft.com.